Hi, welcome to Zimbabwean Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. In some sad news, popular musician and singer hitmaker Tatenda Pinjisi has tragically died from injuries sustained in a car accident that occurred in Norton on Friday. The accident claimed the lives of 2 other band members and left 3 more battling for their lives in hospital. Pinjisi passed away on Sunday night, 2 days after the devastating crash that happened while the group was en route to Kadoma for a scheduled performance. His brother, Howard Pinjisi, confirmed the heartbreaking news and said funeral arrangements will be set in due course. Mourners are gathered in Rua as they prepare to take off to Mutoko, where he is said to be buried later this week. Once again, thank you for staying tuned. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to click that subscribe button to get more news.